So what did everybody think of the boat ride in Barra?
I may be hydrated enough.
So what did everybody think of the boat ride?
It's a beautiful area back there.
That was probably about what I would have expected. I mean, I wasn't really anticipating any spectacular, birds that have never been seen before kind of experience,
Yeah.
But we saw some interesting birds. They're up close, they're along the water line.
Yeah.
Got to figure out the lay of the water back in that body of water that goes into the ocean.
The water's so clear and the sand is so beautiful back there. It's different black and gold sand.
Yeah.
Lots of mangroves.
I think that I would recommend the kayaking now. Like, if someone was going back there.
Yeah.
I think I would have enjoyed the kayak. I thought going in I would have liked the boat better, the guy that had rents boats and kayaks.
Yeah.
But now that we did it, I think I would have gotten just as much out of it doing the kayaks. And
Yeah.
so,
I think the boat was good because it kind of showed us where to go, but I would say kayaks would be better.
yeah.
And you get to go at your own pace and you can stay next to the shore and really see stuff in there.